What is a TikTok Shop research tool? A TikTok Shop research tool is a specialized analytics platform designed to help sellers discover trending products, analyze competitors, and understand buyer behavior on TikTok. It gathers real time data from TikTok Shop listings, showing which items are performing well, what hashtags are driving sales, and which price ranges attract the most buyers. This helps sellers make smarter data backed decisions when choosing what to sell. These tools allow users to filter results by niche, region, engagement level, and conversion performance. They also reveal insights into product demand, influencer partnerships, and seasonality, all crucial factors in building a successful TikTok shop. By studying patterns and identifying high performing listings, sellers can stay ahead of trends instead of guessing what will sell next. Many professional TikTok sellers use Helium 10 as their go to research solution because it provides powerful product analysis, keyword tracking, and profitability tools. Helium 10 helps identify which TikTok shop products are trending, what customers are searching for, and how to position listings for maximum reach. Its detailed analytics ensure that every product decision is based on real performance data, not assumptions. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to research trending TikTok shop products, track data, and grow your e commerce business efficiently at no cost.